It's probably not going to be a very long video today because it is 4:30. Yeah, I've been here a while, but I've been fixing that. The seat broke again, and it broke down on the way here, so the wire to the coil broke, so I had to bodge that, limp it here, fix it, yada yada yada. So yeah, it's been a pain recently, but yeah, we're back to this now, and I don't know how much really yet done, but I want to start by cutting the end of the scuttle off, and then we'll have to drill all the spot welds out on here and on there, and then we'll start finding where the spot welds are on the inner wing, and start to get that off. I think that's probably the next thing. So yeah, we'll see how much we can get done today anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna call it a day here. It's 10 to 7. I'm hungry, I want my tea. So we have this flappy bit just here, just chilling. That was up here. Got the end of the scuttle cut off. We've drilled out most of the spot welds in this doorpost. I can't really find the ones down there. There's not much really left of that attached anyway, as you can see. So yeah, I've drilled out a ton of spot welds around here. There's probably more that I haven't found yet, but yeah, got those out, and we've drilled a load more of the ones out down here, and I started on a couple underneath, but I just can't be bothered anymore now. I've had enough for today. So oh yeah, and I cut the front part of the inner wing off just so I can get to it all a bit easier really, and especially these ones under here I couldn't really get in with this inner wing here. So at least I can get to those now. So yeah, that's all I'm doing for today. Sorry, it's a bit of a short one. I'm just going to undo that because the air drill leaks. So the compressor is up at 110 psi. It's silent. New O-rings came today, so I put a new O-ring on the drain plug. It doesn't leak anymore. So nice. So yeah, oh, my professional lighting setup is basically that, which is normally more like that. Now the camera's sat on here, so yeah, it works quite well actually. Better than having that great big thing in the way, tripping over it all the time. So yep, so that'll do for today. Hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to completely get this out. I don't know. Tomorrow is going to be the last day that I come here before Bingley Hall. So on Thursday I'm going to wash the car and clean it, and Friday, Saturday I'm working, Sunday Bingley Hall. So yeah, there's going to be 4 days me not coming here now, so I'm going to stagger the last few uploads a little bit. So yeah, If you're coming to Bingley Hall, still haven't checked out the video, please do that. It'll be somewhere up in that top corner, a little eye, any second now. Yeah, watch that video. And if you haven't already liked my Facebook page, then like that as well. And if there's any problems on the day of Bingley or whatever, I can't make it, the car breaks down, whatever, then I will post an update on there to let you guys know. But I will try my very best. I know several other people going, so if there's a problem with my car, come find the Geeks and Freaks stand, and hopefully I'll still be able to get there. So yeah, anyway, that'll do for today. I'm off home, well, after having a bit of a sweep up. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this one. Subscribe, like the video, etc, etc. Catch you in the next one, guys. Bye for now.